Alright, buddy, you ready?
Gas me a little.
Go ahead.
I don't know what the hell the deal is.
You can flip the screen.
Yeah, keep her alive. Wait. Yeah, it's doing that recently. I'm turning the idle a little higher. Go. Well, that doesn't seem right at all.
Hey, yo, what the fuck? That's really good.
Better than before?
Yeah.
Give her the beans, bro. You weren't going full speed, were you?
Huh?
You weren't going full speed?
Yeah.
Really? Should be faster than that, I think, no?
Tires are hot, though.
Yeah, so definitely the choke is the other way. Yeah, man.
Tires are hot. Oh, yeah.
That's it. You know you want to. Oh, there's a lot of air in there. Let me check the tank. Actually, you know what? Pull that guy out too. Oh, I feel that air coming out of that.
Oh, yeah.
So, watch this.
Bro, this thing actually drives really good.
Not bad, eh? Try it with that thing unplugged, see if it's any different.
less power. I think that's
Yeah.
taking in fuel pressure.
That's what I'm thinking.
Honestly, it feels good. Feels really good.
Something just happened.
What
Chain
happened?
just jumped off. Check out the damage. Bro, the chrome is coming off the fucking band.
What band?
Look. The fucking chrome is actually melting off the fucking band. Holy fuck. That's crazy. Yeah, let's bring it out. Oh my god, wow, there's grease everywhere. Holy shit. Alright, I don't think this chain is enjoying its life right now. Holy fuck. Yeah, that thing just blew right off. I don't know what happened. I'm not touching it because it's gonna be fucking hot.
Yeah, it's gonna be hot.
That's gonna be so hot. Look at the fucking grease flung up on that shit. Damn. Yeah, that's insane hot. Well, at least I know the brakes are working good.
Yeah.
You hit them hard, bro. You're skidding. Happy about that. Oh, that stinks.
See, I didn't hit it hard because I don't want to put too much pressure on my foot,
The
right?
vibrations are fucking wild, dude. At that speed. Yeah, you were not going anywhere near full speed, bro.
Right back, go, 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 go! That was fucking exuberating. Fires are water in that. That's fucking fast, yo. Oh, I can drive around this whole fucking goddamn day long.